Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have explained what is meant by operator, what is meant by operand, and arithmetic operators in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends as well as the family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Operators in Python programming language. So to know regarding operators, first you need to know what is meant by operator and what is meant by operands. So first, an operator is a symbol to perform specific mathematical or logical operations on values. An operator is a symbol which is used to perform specific mathematical or logical operations on the values. The values that the operator work on are called operands. As an example, we consider the expression 10 plus num. So here the value 10 as well as the variable num are called as an operands, and the symbol plus is called operator. So operator is used to perform specific operation or a specific mathematical or logical operation on the values. So here 10 plus num, what is that? It says that it has to perform an addition of 10 along with the value which has been stored in a variable num. Python supports different kinds of operators. Arithmetic operators. Python supports the arithmetic operators that are used to perform the four basic arithmetic operations, which are those: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Even the Python supports the other arithmetic operators such as modular division, floor division, and exponential. These are the extra three which have been added in Python programming language under arithmetic operators. We shall see in detail regarding how to perform the arithmetic calculations and how to use the arithmetic operators. The first arithmetic operator, plus, it is used for addition. That means adds the two numeric values on either side of the operator. Plus will add two numeric values on either side of the operator. The operator can also be used to concatenate two strings on either side of the operator. It means instead of using numerical value, if you give string values, those can be concatenated. That means those can be combined or joined. That is called the concatenation of a string, and that can be done by using an plus symbol in Python programming language. Second arithmetic operator, minus, that is the subtraction. It subtracts the operand on the right from the operand on the left. That means the right side, whatever the value has been there or a variable is there, that value will be separated from the left. That means the left minus right. Okay. Third arithmetic operator is asterisk, that is the multiplication. It multiplies the two values on both sides of the operator. Another one extra thing in case of an Python programming language where this asterisk symbol can be used is it repeats the item on the left of the operator if the first operand is a string and second operand is an integer. For example, if we write hello asterisk 4, that means hello will be repeating 4 times as hello, 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 hello. repeats the item on left of the operator if the first operand is a string and second operand is an integer value. Fourth kind of arithmetic operator is backslash, that is an division. It is used for the purpose of dividing a number by another number. So slash, that is a division, divides the operand on left by the operand on the right and returns the quotient value. The next arithmetic operator is percentage, that is a modulus. So this one divides the operand on the left by the operand on the right and it returns the remainder, whereas and slash will be returning a quotient, whereas the percentage symbol will be returning a remainder. The next arithmetic operator is double backslash, that is the floor division. This divides the operand on the left by the operand on the right and returns the quotient by removing the decimal part. That means it will be returning the quotient only the integer part, whereas the decimal part will be truncated. It is also called sometimes as integer division. The last arithmetic operator is double asterisk, that is an exponent. It performs power calculation on operands. That means performs exponential, that is raise the operand on the left to the power of the operand on the right. Suppose if we write 2 double asterisk 3, that means 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3, the answer is 8. That means it will return the answer as 8. The exponent operator raise the operand on the left to the power of the operand on the right. So first I will open the Python interpreter, click on the Windows logo and then click on IDLE Python 3.12 64-bit. This is an interpreter, that is an Python interpreter execution mode, and this execution mode is called as an interactive mode. Even there is another one mode that is called as an script mode. Now I am explaining you by using an interpreter mode. So first one, to find the sum of two numbers. So I will take two numbers, that is the two variables. Num1 is equal to 10, enter. Num2 is equal to 3, enter. Now I will find the sum of these two, that is num1 plus num2. Press enter. So it is displaying the output as 13, 1, 3. That is what? The sum of two numbers by using an operator plus. Instead of using a numbers, if we use the string, for example, str1 is equal to, within a double quotes, hello, double quotes close, and you will use another one string variable, str2 is equal to, within a double quotes, union, double quotes close. So before writing an union, within a double quotes I leave one space. Okay, then after that press enter. Now calculate the sum of these two, that is str1 plus str2. So now see the output. The output it is displaying as hello union. Okay, so here it is combining two strings, that is it is performing the concatenation operation. This is regarding an plus operator, which is used for the purpose of addition in case of a numerical values, and it is used for the purpose of concatenation when the values are of type strings. Then we shall see regarding the subtraction. So again I will take num1 is equal to 10, then num2 is equal to 3. Now I will calculate the difference of num2 and num1, that is num2 minus num1, and I will press enter key. So now you can see the value as minus 7. Next, I will perform the multiplication operation on the variable num1 and num2, which I have initialized with the values as 10 and 3. Now if I write here num2 into num1, so here 10 and 3, that means what? The value will be equal to 30. Suppose the another one way of using an asterisk, that is a multiplication operator, when it is used with respect to a string along with an integer number. So how it will be? As I told, it will be just repeating the item on the left of an operator if the first operand is the string and the second one is an integer value. For example, if we write str1 is equal to, within a double quotes, hello, double quotes close, enter. Now I will write I will write str1, that is an hello, into, that is asterisk 4. That means what? It will display hello 4 times. You can see here it is displaying hello, 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 hello 4 times. That means the string value hello has been repeated 4 times. Suppose if we write str1 into 2, that means it will be displaying hello 2 times. That is the use of an asterisk operator. Then the division operator, which is used for the purpose of finding the quotient of an given two numbers. So here I have initialized the value of num1 as 10 and num2 as 3. If I write num1 divided by num2, that means 10 divided by 3. So its value will be equal to 3.33333, which is an recurring. Okay. Suppose if I give the num1 is equal to 5 and num2 is equal to 6. Now if we calculate num1 divided by num2, that is 5 divided by 6, then the output will be 0.83333, which is an recurring. Similarly, if I take num1 is equal to 8, num2 is equal to 2, press enter, then calculate num1 divided by num2. You can see the output will be 4. Suppose if we write the reverse, num2 divided by num1, then it will be equal to, that is 2 divided by 8, 0.25. That means it will return the quotient. Then the next operator is an modulus, so which will be just returning the remainder. Suppose if I consider num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 3. So if I write num1 modulus operator, that is the percentage symbol, num2, that means 10 mod 3, that means 10 divided by 3. What is the remainder? The remainder will be equal to 1. So it is used for the purpose of calculating the remainder. Then the next operator is the floor division, that is a double backslash, which is used for the purpose of calculating the quotient by removing the decimal part. For example, in the above 1, right? So here we have got as 0.83333. So that one, if you want only the integer part, then you can use this one. So for example, if I write num1 is equal to 6, enter, num2 is equal to, I will take it as 4, enter. Then if I write num1 divided by num2, so this value is 1.4. This is a regular division. Suppose if you perform the floor division, that is num1 divided by num2, then it will return only the integer part, so that answer will be 1. That is, the fractional part will be truncated. For that purpose it is also called as an integer division. And the last operator is the exponent operator, that is using the asterisk twice, so that can be used for the purpose of calculating the power of an operand. For example, if I write here num1 is equal to 4 and num2 is equal to 3. So then if you write num1 exponent, that is a double asterisk, num2, that means what? 4 to the power 3, that is 4 raised to 3. The answer is 64. So this is regarding how an operator, that is an arithmetic operators, are used in an Python programming language, and this one I have explained by using an interactive mode. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.